Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Frederick County in north central Maryland, central Washington County in north central Maryland, northern Jefferson County in the panhandle of West Virginia, eastern Berkeley County in the panhandle of West Virginia, northern Loudoun County in northern Virginia, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:24 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 5 miles south of Martinsburg to 6 miles southeast of Martinsburg-Dransend, and moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. In addition, an intensifying thunderstorm was located near Arnoldtown, west of Middletown. Locations impacted include Martinsburg, Shepherdstown, Boonesboro, Williamsport, Wolfsville, Hagerstown. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, move indoors to a sturdy building, and stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. And now a special